Okay, this video is about, so I'm going to tack this on the end of doing a software update, but this video is about how to repair disk permissions on a Mac. Basically, you want to do this whenever you install something or whenever you do a software update. And what happens is when you install something or a software update, sometimes it changes the file permissions and you want to change them back to make it run optimally, keep it running smoothly and speedy and all that good stuff. So basically you want to go into, you can just click on the background image, go to Go, and then go to Utilities. And in here, you're going to look for disk utility right here. Click on disk utility, and then it's going to come up, and then you're going to click on the HD. It usually says Macintosh HD unless you've changed the name. I've changed the name. And it's usually right under the one up top. Usually it has a, this says how large it is, and then this below, this is the one you want to check on, the one that's indented a little bit. And then you just simply click on Repair Disk Permissions. And it'll go through its thing, and it'll show you, it'll tell you what it's changed or whatever, and write down, it says right here how long it takes to finish, and eventually it'll say complete or disk permissions finished or whatever. Okay, so it's a very, very simple process, and you always want to do this whenever you either install something or update the software or anything like that. Okay, there's no need to wait and watch this because it's really not much to see. It's just going to list a whole bunch of stuff. Maybe if there's not much to change, then it won't really change much. See it, here's what it's changed, and here what it's changed, and eventually it'll say in bold, just like this, it'll say, there we go, permissions repair complete. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's all I need to do. And if you have other like external hard drives that you also have like a volume on that you boot up from that you use, you might want to do that as well. Okay, like this one actually. This one is not what I'm using right now. This is the one I'm using right now. So this is my real hard drive. This is the one that has Tiger on it. Then I have Leopard down here. So I click on Leopard, and so I'm doing both my hard drives. This is my external, and this is my regular. And I click on Repair Disk Permissions here, and it's going to do the same thing for Leopard. Okay, and it's going to do the same thing. It's going to be a whole bunch of things, what it did, and then eventually it'll say finished or complete. All right, pretty simple, pretty easy, and that's the way to do it. And remember, if you like the video, go ahead and click on subscribe to support the site. And also don't forget to rate the video. Even if it's a 3 or 4, it still helps.